I think it's a new experience than high school, and you get a lot of skills in the areas that you actually want to learn instead of high school, where you have to go to like math or English. You can choose what you want to do.
And it's not like your high school where there are kids who don't want to be here. Everybody who's here wants to be here and they want to learn, so you're not having to fight with the kids who don't want to do anything.
It gives you a chance to go into the career that you want to without having to pay for this class at all. So if you don't like it, it gives you a chance to be like, oh, this is not for me.
I like the fact that I get to turn a wrench every morning. It's what I love to do, so it just it's a good way to start my day every day.
Before I entered the program, I expected we would just touch the surface on some things, but we dug deeper into it than I thought we would.
Before I came in, I was just trying to see if this is what I want to do, and now that I have experienced this, I do know that I want to go into the nursing field.
This could change your whole life. This could help you out with your whole life in the future. After you get a good job, you could get another good job if you need one. I got friends over in the next door. They doing automotive. It's like different sections you can pick to get ahead of everybody and don't working at some fast food restaurant or something like that.
I would definitely encourage them to, come down here every day. The instructors are awesome here, and everything here is it's amazing. Just the atmosphere and all of the machines and the people and everything. You'll make new friendships and just learn a whole bunch.